Well, good afternoon. My name is Dawn Levis, and I am the owner of Green Insurance Group. I have two locations, one in Seguin and one in New Braunfels, Texas.
So, what was your day to day like at Green before Victor? Like, what was the part of your day you dreaded the most?
Trying to figure out everything I needed to get done in a timely order and fashion to where I was constantly going down rabbit holes, chasing emails, chasing follow up with clients, chasing follow up with agents, chasing follow up with you name it. And so I spent hours trying to be able to get through all that before able to have him actually help clean me up. It's like one of my favorite things. I have my little list from him right here, so I know exactly what needs to be done, and he sends it to me every day at 8 a.m.
Oh, nice. So, what was the first thing that you had him do? Do you remember?
Well, I kinda used him as a Google when I first got him because you don't know what you don't know, so probably the first thing I had him do was something personal. I needed a hot tub and pool graphic, but now I don't use him for that anymore whatsoever.
So, what are the main things you use him for right now then?
He does actually quite a bit for me. So he does a daily task for me. He does a recap every day of what's going on. He helps me make sure I don't miss things, follow up. He also sends a weekly report for all my agents. So I go and find different events for them to do. So he goes and looks 2 weeks out in all these different areas, puts a report together and sends it out to my team so they know things that they can get involved in to help them be able to write business. He sends me a weekly KPI at the end of each week that my team and I recap to make sure what new clients have come in, which ones are left. So we have opportunities to see where we need to work at and what the volume looks like. He also does regular follow-ups with emails. Like I had we're doing an event and he sent a follow-up to the guy to make sure there was nothing else that was needed, who they've already responded. So he's taking care of those things. We have an inner chat within our team. So that way each day we see the three things that are the most important. What did we do well? What do we each need help with? So we're helping each other. And just what are some things that are pending as a team that we can work on together to make sure things are getting taken care of. I mean, it's just a kind of a top of the iceberg things that he's taking care of on a regular basis. He also does most of our social media now. We have him set up. I've been working with my operations manager, so I have them working together on that. So that way he can kind of feel who we are and be able to write them. So we're working towards getting that much more smoother. He does a newsletter for our clients every year or every month that he puts together. He is also doing a blog. I think that goes out once a week that he's sending out and making sure my SEO is taken care of. I totally forgot he was doing that, but it's in the background. So he's making sure that's set up. And then he matches a lot of our social media posts to go with the blog. So it's bringing in the SEO as well.
Do you think he's increased either your time or your capability and the amount of clients you can handle?
Definitely my time and well, definitely, yeah, both. I would say yes, he's doing both because I'm able to be more client facing. Our biggest goal here is we're an insurance agency. And so the paperwork takes so much time that we are being pulled from where we really need to be. Our top three goals are obviously new clients. Number two would be retention. And we also hire agents and help them along the way. So we want to be able to have the flip. That is not something Victor can do, right? We need to be client facing, agent facing, sitting down in the trenches with them. Victor can't get offline and do that. So if I can have him do the paperworks, the KPIs, the social media, the stuff that needs to be done in the background, that gives us plenty of time to be able to give back to the real people, client facing and agent facing.
Do you want to tell that story about how he created that projection for your client?
Well, he's actually done 3 of those now. So, I have one client who very financial savvy client who his wife was very concerned that if he retired, would they have enough money? So they gave me the whole scenario, just basic high level overview. I put all of that stuff. I had the spreadsheet that I had filled out and I sent it to him and I was like, "Hey, here's the product we're using. Here's the next product we're writing. Here's the money they have in the different accounts. Can you give her a projection out 20 years?" At least after we do all these things. And when I did that, it was broken down on their cash reserves, what they had in their money market, which has nothing to do with me, but it helped her be able to see when each thing would run out and why the products that we were putting her in would allow her to have more money longer and be able to actually take advantage and be with her husband who was 67. So she was super excited that she was like seeing it in black and white. Technically, it was in green because Green Insurance Group.
Mhm.
And put it in a nice folder. He spread it all out, had their info on it, and it gives us something to review each year. They were very impressed with that.
Were you very impressed
I
with
was
that?
very impressed with that, so I've done it 3 other times, and I use it now for scenarios. I like that I can have a conversation with him and tell him what I'm trying to articulate. It's much easier than typing, because he can hear me, which is not it seems weird that you're thinking a computer can hear you, but it does, right? And I can tell him, "Hey, I'm leading this," or I can lead it with empathy, or make sure it's dumbed down. I mean, it sounds kinda weird, but you have to make things very simple for people to understand. I have another client who I set one out that we're getting to review and show them because they were wanting to see if they should pay their house off or not. And when we did the scenario, now they should, right? And instead of taking the money and investing it because of the time frame, they would actually make more money by paying that off and investing the other versus keep paying it with the interest rate that they were at in the time frame that they had. Just a lot of scenarios that he can come up with.
Very cool. So if another agency owner asked you like straight up whether they should get a Victor or not, what would you say?
Here's my link and use mine so I can get some credits. Absolutely. I mean, I tell all my team about it. I work my inner office people, we have it already. I share it with people all the time because it really does give me time back, the things that we can do on a even as a personal level. He's helping me with scenarios. We've actually written 2 books together. I just haven't completed them because things are going on, but they're sitting there waiting for me. So he hasn't even asked me about them, which is okay, but they're potentially ready. I just have to get them out and decide where I want to put them. And he's already researched that because I want to use that for clients. So my goal is for 2027 to already have that out there. It's not really, I already put it together and he did it much faster than I was even thinking I could. But for 2027, I want to have a free PDF book for 2 different areas that they can either download. And I'm also going to print some. So, like when I do different events, it's showing me as that subject matter expert as well as my team to be able to go in and I'm giving you the ABCs, the getting through the maze and also on the financial side. Because people are like, wow, okay, that makes it much easier when they have something to flip through and hold that. So we're already working together. We've already created a plan for next year on trying to block my time. So I'm already thinking ahead for that on ways that I can maximize him more and being in front of the people that I need to be in front of.